Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to the top 3 best flip phones in 2024 for those who are passionate about flip phones. If you like, please support me by clicking the link below the description to buy the product. These products have been carefully selected on the Amazon sales channel with the lowest price while still ensuring quality. 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Expansive screen cinematic experience. Unfold a massive 7.6 screen and lose yourself in your favorite content, no matter where you are. Your gaming experience, elevated. Your gaming deserves a powerful device perfect for portable play with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. The future of doing more. With dual app viewing, you can do more at once and maximize your screen space. Impressive precision, more productivity. Precision meets portability with S Pen capability on Galaxy Z Fold 5. Ultimate innovation. Ultimate peace of mind. 5th generation foldables technology. Tested for 200,000 folds, over 5 years. Abuse. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, IPX8 water resistance and AMP, pre-installed internal screen cover. Out-of-the-box screen protection. Internal screen protection is pre-installed on Galaxy Z products. Plus get a free one-time screen protector replacement if needed. Worry-free screen repair. Get special coverage for a discounted, one-time screen replacement due to defect or accident. Designed with the planet in mind. 80% recycled plastic back glass deco film, 22% recycled glass sub-window and back glass, 20% recycled ocean-bound plastic. Full screen outside. Massive screen inside. Enjoy 2 experiences in one, a full cover screen perfect for one hand and a large interior screen perfect for 2. This big screen is a big deal. Impress everyone with the sleek design. Impress them even more when you unfold the massive screen. S Pen at the ready. The new Galaxy Z Fold 5 Slim S Pen case features a slimmer design that offers a perfect grip. Plus, it has a new, built-in S Pen that's more compact, colorful and easy to access. Main screen 7.6 inches Dynamic AMOLED 2X, cover screen 6.2 inches Dynamic AMOLED 2X, rear camera main, 50MP, ultra-wide, 12MP, telephoto lens 10MP. Camera zoom dual pixel, 30x digital zoom, front camera 10MP, under display camera 4MP, battery capacity 4400 mAh, RAM 12GB, storage 512GB. 2. Motorola Razr Plus. Do more, capture more. The possibilities are endless with the largest, most advanced external display of any flip phone. The interactive 3.6 pulled outside screen has been designed to be more immersive, personal, functional, and fun. Enjoy instant access to your favorite music and recommended artists on the dedicated Spotify panel, without having to open your phone. Play games and watch videos on the external screen, and enjoy access to your favorite apps. Plus, make quick, convenient payments and enjoy touchless NFC content/contact sharing. Express yourself by selecting from a variety of clock styles to appear on your display. Respond to messages with a full built-in keyboard and view important notifications, without ever needing to flip open your phone. Iconic design, reimagined lightweight, ultra-sleek, and infinitely flexible, Motorola Razr Plus flips open to reveal a gorgeous display that looks seamless, feels smooth, and shines bright. Available colors include Infinite Black, Glacier Blue, and Pantone Color of the Year 2023, Viva Magenta. 6.9 inches. Unfold an enormous fold display to experience the infinite contrast of deeper blacks and richer colors. 165 Hz. Mind-blowingly fast and fluid refresh rate reduces stutter and ghosting in compatible games. HDR10 Plus and AMP, DCI-P3. Certified to meet the latest industry standards for brightness, clarity, and color accuracy. Sound all around. Enjoy multidimensional Dolby Atmos audio with Bluetooth experiences optimized by Snapdragon Sound. Perfectly smooth, built to last. Our industry-leading, patented teardrop hinge has been redesigned to make the flipped open display virtually creaseless, for a smooth, seamless touchscreen experience. Flip closed, Motorola Razr Plus aligns perfectly at the top and bottom edges, for an ultra-sleek look. The ultimate way to capture content, from incredible wide-angle shots to extreme close-ups. 13MP ultra-wide plus macro vision capabilities let you capture the moment in awe-inspiring detail. Pictorial perfection. Focus on creativity with an array of innovative camera lens capabilities. Out of the dark. Your low-light photos are automatically enhanced by an image signal processor, ISP, that reduces noise and increases clarity. More power to you. Charge up in just minutes. Go all day and night on a single charge of the 3,800 mAh battery. Turbo Power 30 watts charging gives you hours of power in just minutes. Powerhouse performance. Enjoy the blazing speed of a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, for faster 5G connections, elite gaming experiences, advanced camera capabilities, and improved power efficiency. 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Purse, pocket and palm perfect. Bold and compact, Galaxy Z Flip 5 easily fits in your pocket or purse. Do more. Single-handedly. The large cover screen of the compact Galaxy Z Flip 5 lets you reply to texts, change songs and snap photos with one hand. Show off your best selfie. Easily capture stunning selfies with the best camera on Galaxy Z Flip 5, thanks to the full cover screen that lets you see more before you snap. More of what you want right on the cover screen. Do more with the brand new cover screen of Galaxy Z Flip 5. A full display lets you capture content, text and call without ever opening your phone. Personalized from the outside in. Personalize Galaxy Z Flip 5 by giving your cover screen its own unique style. Ultimate innovation. Ultimate peace of mind. 5th generation foldables technology. Tested for 200,000 folds, over 5 years. Of use. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. IPX81 water resistance and AMP. Pre-installed internal screen cover. Out-of-the-box screen protection. Internal screen protection is pre-installed on Galaxy Z products. Plus, get a free one-time screen protector replacement if needed. Worry-free screen repair. Get special coverage for a discounted, one-time screen replacement due to defect or accident. Designed with the planet in mind. 80% recycled plastic. Back glass deco film. 22% recycled glass. Sub-window and back glass. 20% recycled ocean-bound plastic. Volume key bracket. Impressively compact. Unfold the show-stopping Galaxy Z Flip 5, created with an innovative folding design and full cover screen that lets you do more. A shade for every vibe. With 4 fresh colors to choose from, Galaxy Z Flip 5 makes a statement and shows off your unique style. Put a ring on it. Protection and grip found their perfect match. With the Galaxy Z Flip 5 silicone case with ring, slip your finger into the ring to provide a secure hold for your phone and enjoy texting and sharing with ease.
Support me by clicking on the link below to purchase the product. Thanks for watching.